What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Drew with Drewing's Disc Golf Review, and today we got a big box. We got about 24 discs coming your way straight from Gateway. We're gonna unbox it, we're gonna unpack it, and I'm pumped. Let's jump right into it. So, this was a Christmas gift that my wife blessed off on. So it's to myself. Gateway has been great. They've been working with me, helping me decide what I should get, and making sure I'm happy along the entire process. We're in. All right. Woo! Fresh disc, baby. Wow. Take a gander. Take a gander, baby. That's right. We got tons of reviews coming your way straight from Gateway. All right. First disc. Wow. Wow. That's gorgeous. A Warrior Metal Flake. Gorgeous. Gorgeous disc. Woo! Next up. Wow. Hemp Diamond? Hemp Diamond Prophecy. Hemp Diamond Prophecy right there. Check it out. Gorgeous pink. Speckles all over. That's pretty. That is pretty. Next up, the Cyborg. Now I'm excited for this. An understable fairway driver. Diamond glow. Check it out. That's it right there. I'm really excited for this one. Here we up. Coming up. Super Glow Hyper Diamond Apache. Straight at you right there. That's a pretty disc. Long range control driver. Speed 10 right there. Excited to see how that flies. We're just gonna keep on busting this out one after another. Oh yeah, this is the Apex. Diamond Apex. Pop that top Diamond Apex Halloween series. Gorgeous. Apex right there. Excited to see how that flies. Oh yeah, another pop top. High speed driver. G1 Diamond. Check it out. Wow, that's pretty. That is poppin', baby. G1 driver. Here we go. A brand new driver, just approved by the PDGA. Ether, right there. NXT Ether. Wow. Excited to give this a throw. It's also a little poppy. Man. Woo! Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Right into another brand new PDGA approved disc, the Realm from Gateway. Now this is NXT Glow plastic. Yep, that feels great in the hands. Oh, wow. Hyper Diamond Hemp Journey. That is gorgeous. Look at that. Man. That is pretty. Journey Hyper Diamond Hemp. I tell you what, these plastics from Gateway, They got everything under the sun. Next up, the Shaman. In the putt and approach lineup for Gateway, it's another hemp diamond. And that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Excited to see how that one flies. Maybe a little putt and approach off the tee box. You know what I'm saying? And here we got another one, the Mystic. Feels like hemp diamond as well. The Mystic, a pretty disc. Gorgeous. I love this hemp diamond plastic. That is really pretty. Alright, let's keep it flying. We got discs in here, and we gotta see them. We got the Assassin. Woo! Now, from what I understand, this is a bread and butter disc from Gateway. The Assassin. The diamond that with the plastic we have it in today is Metal Flake. Little pop top. Feels good. The Assassin from Gateway, right there. Keep it flying. Look at this. A Diamond Saber, baby. Man. Gorgeous green on that. Diamond Saber. I'm excited. Now, you may have already seen the review on this, and I gotta tell you, I'm loving it. It's in the bag. It's a high-speed, mid-range is how I like to think of it. The Saber from Gateway. A great disc. Another Saber. Come on, baby. Look at that. Gorgeous. Diamond Saber from Gateway. You gotta love it. Guys, this is why Gateway's great. They treat their customers. They care about you. I didn't even order these discs. This Saber one in particular, they just threw it in there because they're all about the customer service. Here we got Gateway Underground Factory Second. Hold up, slight pause. All right, we're back. Diamond Element. Diamond Element. Looks like a triple stamp on there. That thing is sweet. Check that out. Diamond Element. Gateway disc. This is an understable to stable mid-range. Right there in about that zero turn, zero fade type of category. Element. Excited to give that a throw. Keep on rolling. Oh, wow. You gotta be kidding me. Another Diamond Prophecy. Look at that. Gorgeous green color. A staple mid-range. Excited to throw that one. Prophecy. Diamond Gateway. Come on. I hope you're hyped right now because I'm pumped. Been waiting all Christmas. Since before Christmas I've been talking to Gateway. When can I get these discs? Well, when I pay for them. So I paid for them, they came, and I'm pumped. Prophecy, another one. Come on, baby. Another one. Diamond Prophecies, check it out. That's what I'm talking about. The mid-ranges. Gateway's got it all. From putt and approach to driver. Here's their stable mid-range, the Prophecy. Excited to check that out. Come on, that's what I'm talking about. The Prophecy, baby. Check it out. Diamond Prophecy right there. Feels great. Gorgeous disc. Feels great in the hands. Has a slight bead. Excited to throw that on the field. Wow. Wow. Metal Flake Element. There it is. Metal Flake Element. That is gorgeous. Bam. 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 Metal Flake Element. Here we go. So from above ground level discs, you may not know, AGL, Gateway, molds these discs. So you're buying AGL, you're supporting Gateway. You love to see it. So this is the Douglas Fir Putt and Approach AGL, baby. We're reviewing it and we're pumped. Let's keep rolling. The Chameleon. Woo! That's a sexy disc. Looks kind of glowy. It's a fairway driver. Chameleon. Look at that, baby. That's a good looking disc. That's a fun looking disc right there. Another AGL. Here we got the Beach. Looks like an overstable mid-range. That's pretty. That is pretty. It feels like if you're like familiar with the Gateway plastics, it feels like what do you call that? Like firm, you know, sure grip type plastic. And this is Beach from AGL. Excited to throw that one. Okay, a fan favorite. You gotta know it. The Stego. There it is. A very overstable approach disc. Excited to throw this. Excited to put it in the bag and see how it does. That's a pretty one. That's a pretty one. Very, very flexible plastic right there. Excited for that one. Here we got some putters. First Run Mercury. Check it out. Mercury. Also molded by Gateway. Excited for these putters. Excited. There's no bead. There's almost no bead. Maybe the micros of micros bead on this one. The Mercury. All right, 2 more, folks. 2 more. The Illusion. A high-speed driver. The Illusion from Gateway. Super pumped. That is a pretty disc. Excited to give that a throw. And look at that. Another one, baby. Illusion from Gateway. That's awesome. That is awesome. And that's it. Just like that. I hope you enjoyed this. I am pumped to get these out to the field. So leave a comment on what you would like to see reviewed first. Folks, we got almost a year's worth of material here. So leave a comment in the description on what you would like to see first so I can better support you guys. This is Drew, and you're watching Drewing's Disc Golf Review. We're out.